Salam friends, welcome to my channel. With love, Aisha. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Today I'm sharing a very special drink that takes me straight back to childhood. Emudro, a popular Ghanaian ginger drink also known as Ghanaian ginger beer or Hausa beer. Growing up, I watched my auntie make this all the time, especially when we wanted something refreshing, spicy, and soothing. We often enjoy this with roasted peanuts, served ice cold or just as it is. This drink is bold, zesty, spicy, and incredibly delicious. And it's also known for its medicinal purpose. That's where the name Emudro comes from, meaning internal medicine. Let me show you the ingredients we'll be using today. We have some fresh ginger, lemon and lime, chili pepper, some cloves, and green on selim. These ingredients are what give Emudro its signature spicy kick and deep aroma. Emudro is non-alcoholic drink, naturally spicy and customized to your taste. It can sweeten with sugar, brown sugar, honey, or even stevia if you prefer the healthier option. It's simple to make yet packed with flavors and tradition. I started by chopping the fresh ginger into manageable pieces. Then I add the ginger, chili pepper, cloves and grain of saline into a pot with water. I let it boil for 10 to 5 to 10 minutes. This step is very important because it helps releases the natural oils, flavor and spicy from the ingredients, allowing everything to marry beautifully. Whilst this is boiling, your kitchen always starts to smell amazing. Yes. If you've been watching me till now, kindly subscribe to your girl and join the family. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and yeah. Whilst the ginger mixture is boiling, I moved on to the lemon and limes. I washed them thoroughly, cut them, and juiced them with my hands, just the way I watch my auntie do it. Using your hands help release the natural oils from the lemon, the lime peels, which add even more flavor to the drink. Once done, I set the juice aside. After boiling, I turn off the heat and allow the ginger mixture to cool completely. That is very important. You want it to rest, and once cooled, I blend everything until smooth. This step intensifies the flavors and give Emudro its strong spicy character. Into a bowl, I add my sweetener of choice, which today I'm using sugar, but feel free to use brown sugar as well, or honey, or even any alternative that you prefer. Next, I strain the lemon and the lime into the sugar using a cheesecloth to ensure a smooth texture. Yeah, using the cheesecloth helps to get the mixture like very smooth. Then I'm gonna go ahead to strain the ginger mixture into the bowl as well. Making this brings so many memories to me. Like I was just imagining my auntie making the emudro. I mix everything together thoroughly, taste and adjust the sweetness or spicy if needed. If you've been watching me till now, why don't you subscribe and join the family? Ramadan Mubarak to all my Muslim subscribers and viewers. May Allah accept from us and forgive our shortcomings. Ameen. And just like that, our emudro is ready. It's spicy, zesty, refreshing, and full of flavor. You can enjoy this chilled with ice or by itself. It pairs perfectly with roasted peanuts and especially refreshing during warm days or fasting period. I remember with my auntie, she would just tie it in a rubber, then we put the peanuts in it. So good. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Ghanaian and continental recipes made with love. Let me know in the comments if this drink reminds you of home and how you enjoy your Emudro. I will see you in the next video. Ramadan Mubarak. Bye.